Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this Year of the Dragon Pusheen. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw an oval. And then underneath on both sides, let's draw a wavy line out for the whiskers. And then let's thicken both of these up. Next, underneath, let's draw Pusheen's face. Let's start with the mouth with two curves. And then two circles for the eyes. And then let's color them both in black. Next, let's hop to the sides under the whiskers and let's draw a curve down on both sides like this. And then two curves on the sides for Pusheen's whiskers. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw a small curve in the center. And then draw a bumpy line out on both sides, making it a little bit longer. And then curve it down slightly at the ends. Next, let's hop up and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a curve up and then bring it down. And the same on the right. Next, inside, let's add another two circles for the dragon's eyes. And color both of these in black. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw a curve up and back down. And the same on the right. Now from the end, let's curve it back up and down on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath on both sides, let's draw a large circle for the hands. And then between the hands, let's draw a zigzag line across. Now underneath each of the hands, let's draw a line down and curve it in for the sides of the body. And connect them at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and add the details. Let's start with a large circle in the middle. And then inside, let's draw three curves across. Now on both sides, let's add the scales. Let's start with a bump out, a U-shaped curve, and another curve out to the side. And the same thing on the right. And then two curves underneath. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move down and draw the feet. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw two curves down and out. And then move to the sides and let's bring it down. And then close off the bottom of each foot. Now let's move over on the bottom left and let's add the tail. Let's start underneath the body and let's draw a curve out. And now at the end, let's draw a large U-shaped curve. Then from the ends, let's curve it in. And then 2 curves coming up to a point in the middle. Now to finish off the top side of the tail, let's draw a bumpy line back into the body, and 1 more on top in the opposite way. And that's it for this dragon Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!